It's a beautiful machine. I think the customers are going to be very pleased with what they're seeing coming out of Moore, South Carolina.
Worked with Takeuchi since April, was one of the first 10 members brought on to this facility. So I am in charge of actually setting up the lines, creating the layouts. I am thrilled to be here and to have my input on creating the first Takeuchi machines in the US.
It's been really exciting going out in the plant and seeing little bit by pieces put together. So now it's finally rolling out and we're so excited.
It's surreal because when we started here in April, you walk in the factory and it's an empty factory. Over the past few months, we've done a lot of work and it's a big moment, especially to see the passion of the people we have here. You see their passion and it drives you, and it's good to be here, to be in this startup role and getting the first units out the door.
Here in Moore, South Carolina, we are proud to be, in this position, to have this opportunity, and proud to have the opportunity not only just be here, but the home office to be here to support us in this effort as well. That unity, that teamwork has really made, a really great opening ceremony, if you would, to a great success.
アメリカ工場の立ち上げに、関わることができて、今とてもワクワクしています。また日本からアメリカに来て、知らない文化を触れたりして、自己の成長につながることで、今楽しみながら仕事をしています。
アームのドッキングの時っていうのがやはり機械が組み上がったなっていう実感がすごく湧いてくるタイミングでした。その時すごくやっぱりこの場に入れてよかったなと思ってます。
Here at Takeuchi, it's very exciting to learn new techniques on the main assembly line. We want to set the standard high in the manufacturing business.
塗装と、全体の工程ごとの問題点、それについて、改善をしてきました。
Being a part of the first track loaders in the U.S. is just amazing. Seeing the emotion of the leaders on this makes me feel even more important.
ここの無ワーク工場のスタッフがすごくチームワークがあります。人の仕事も一緒に覚えようとするところで、教えたことが次の日にまたできてった時、その時を見た瞬間が一番なんかすごく嬉しかったですね。
Everyone gets along here, which is good. When you have a good crew and a good team, it makes work so much easier. Having the first machine come off the line is very exciting because we're bringing history here to South Carolina.
Yeah, we're extremely excited to have this production facility in Moore, South Carolina finally open and production taking place. This will allow us to get the production of track loaders closer to our customers in North America. It will speed up the delivery time that we're able to do. It will also allow us to increase our manufacturing as a whole worldwide once we're at full production here at the facility and able to make all the track loaders for consumption here in Moore, South Carolina.